Here I've got Samsung Galaxy M11, and let me show you how to unlock developer options on the following device. So first of all, just open list of all apps, go to the settings and reach about phone. Now select software information and just click on build number 7 times. Now draw your unlock pattern if you have one, and that's it. As you can see, developer mode has been turned on, so we can go back, and now we can smoothly find it at the bottom of settings list right here. So the icon appeared, you can smoothly open developer mode. Here you can use all the features, all the options, and whenever you would like to turn it off, click on this switcher. As you can see, developer mode has been deactivated and it also disappeared from the settings list. Now you will have to perform the same trick again to access developer mode one more time. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.